took some notes here on the ideas I have about pool homes. So let's dive in. All right, let's talk about why having a pool home is such a game changer. Buying a home in Pinecrest without a pool, that's like owning a Ferrari but not having any gas. What's the point? Most pool homes around here are rectangular pools. They're super practical and easy on the eyes. Then there's the kidney-shaped pools. That's a classic backyard type. It's more entry-level, let's say. And if you want to feel like you're living in a resort, freeform designs do the trick, but they do need a little extra care. I remember showing a home once where the husband went straight to the backyard to check out the pool. He barely glanced at the inside of the house. As long as he liked the pool, that's what mattered. Kind of funny, but it happens. Now, as far as the finishes, you've got plaster for the classic look, pebble for the extra durability, and tile if you're feeling fancy. Price-wise, plaster pools start around $50,000, pebble runs closer to $60,000, tile is $80,000, and infinity pools, well, those are over $100,000. But it's not just about the looks. Pools are perfect for fitness or just cooling off for just about every month of the year in South Florida. And for families, pools are memory makers. Do you remember the cannonball contest growing up? In South Florida, a pool isn't just a luxury, it's a must-have. Plus, homes with pools in Pinecrest, well, they sell faster and for more money. Why wouldn't they? I'm James Salas, your local Pinecrest realtor. If you're ready to dive into real estate or thinking of selling your pool home, I know exactly who would want to buy it.